Let's make some homemade Christmas ornaments. These are great to do with the kiddos. Some cinnamon gingerbread men that make a great garland for any window or a tree. And then we're also going to use some canning jar lids to make some ornaments and even some cutout pieces of cardboard. That and a little bit of glitter. This is great fun for the kids. Let's get started. All right, for the gingerbread men, you're going to need 3 containers of cinnamon. Get them at the dollar store, super cheap. Some glue and some unsweetened applesauce. I used a can that you see here, but homemade is fine. And what you're going to do is put a cup of the cinnamon into a bowl. And to that, you're going to add 3/4 a cup of applesauce. This is so great for all the little people out there to help with. They just have a lot of fun. And here's the texture that you're kind of shooting for, real crumbly. Once you get the applesauce mixed into the cinnamon, you want to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of glue and get that all mixed up. And you're going to shoot for a consistency where you can form a nice ball of dough. And right here that you see here, that's it. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and roll this out, and you dust your rolling pan with cinnamon. You don't want to use flour, and get white flour on it. And here it is. You roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick, and then you go ahead and start cutting out your gingerbread men or stars or trees or whatever you want to do. The babies wanted to do all gingerbread men. I think we did a couple of stars there at the end, but this is what you do, and this is so fun for the kids. They have a great time just doing this, just making anything, just spending time with kids and helping them to create something just makes them so proud. And we made a lot of gingerbread men. And then it gets to go over to my daughter's house when it's done. All right, the next thing is you put these in the oven at 225. And when you kind of flip them over periodically over the course of a couple hours, and just keep tabs on it. I'm turning them over here so the other side cooks well. And it's really super fun. Before you bake them, see the little holes in their heads? You could do it in their arms or something too and run a ribbon through them. But yeah, you want to make sure you put a hole at the top or wherever to be able to hang them from the tree. So I don't think I mentioned that. We used a straw to do that piece of it, and I didn't video it, but here you go. You can kind of see all of the ornaments after I tied them all together. And here they are on the window as like a garland, but of course you could put this on a Christmas tree or whatever you wanted to do. And now I'm going to show you some other ornaments that we did, and I think they're fairly self-explanatory. These are little wooden stars that I had picked up at the dollar store, and I let the grandbabies with some Mod Podge put a bunch of glitter on them. And then they wanted to keep glittering stuff, so I had to trace some circles out of some cardboard pieces that I had. And then they glittered those things up too. Little girls and glitter. They just love to play with glitter. I guess little boys might too, but these girls are nuts about it. So here are the little stars that the babies put glitter on. I cut some cardboard and let them use some glitter on those as well. And now we're trying to make ornaments out of them. And I used old Christmas cards. I don't discount the value of some of these old Christmas cards. I cut like this off of one. Another little house I'll probably do something with. These little animals are super cute. This is like just an old ornament. When you tie the little knot on the back, they don't want to stay upright, so I put that little thing over them. And another idea is, this is like a Monster drink top that I used for the hanging thing. I think this is my favorite one so far. I love the little setting in there. And I used cotton balls or like leftover cotton balls from like supplement containers. This was a broken ornament that I went ahead and used. Okay, this is my best effort at a snowman, and I used yarn to wrap around this one, and it's kind of obnoxious. I think I like doing it this way better, but I don't know which looks the best. And lastly, these were some cheap little ornaments. You can see them here, but I think they look cute when I put them on the little glitter ball. So hope that gives you all some ideas. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these ideas, and I hope you go and make some fun stuff for Christmas with the little people. And most of all, just spend your time this holiday season making memories. Memories that last. They'll remember and love you for the time you spend with them. Thanks again, everybody, and until next time, keep your joy, folks.